everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm throwing one in on Wednesday for you because I don't want you to miss out on some deals. Amazon has their Black Friday sale going on right now, and some of the items on my list that are under $30 are on sale right now. So if you want to see these, stick around. I'll show you how. Now I am going to do gift baskets and stuff like that later, but this one I just wanted to pop in here and show you some things so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Okay, for this first one, these are the felt bags. You get 3 of them in your kit. They're very thick. They're about 4 mil. You get felt handles with them. You also get leather handles with them, and then you get the attachment hardware to put them together. Now, you get all of these for $24.99. You can use them for next to your couch, you know, to put like a blanket in or some slippers in. You could use them in your laundry room. You could divide this into 3 different gifts. If you have a Cricut, you could personalize it. These are great bags, and for the price, they're definitely a good deal. You get 3 gifts out of 1 for $24.99. I think this is definitely a good buy. This one is a bathroom accessory kit. You got lotion, soap, toothbrush, Q-tips, cotton balls, and you got these little labels to put on it to decorate them up a little bit. Or if you have a Cricut, you could personalize them yourself. If you're going to give these for Christmas, put them in a gift basket. Go ahead and put some soap in there, some lotion in there, some Q-tips and cotton balls. That would make an awesome gift. And this little kit was only $17.99. I thought that was a pretty good buy. It'd be a great gift for a guy or a gal. And for $15.99 from Black Friday sale, I think this is definitely a great gift. Okay, this next one is a vacuum sealer, and it's supposed to be used on mason jars. It comes with the unit, it comes with the lids to go on top of your jars, and you just put it on top of that jar and you suction that lid right back down on top of that. And then it comes with a USB cable, and that's how you charge it. And I got one of these, and I'm just leaving it charged all the time. So take your lid and put it on top, put your sealer on top of that, push it all the way down and turn it on. And I'm going to run this for about 20 seconds. This is a good way to preserve food that's in your refrigerator, like spaghetti sauce. Even if you put avocados in here and use a sealer on it, they'll still be green the next day. So I'm going to run this for 20 seconds, and then you just push the button to turn it off. And then I'm going to show you how tight this lid is on here. And I'm going to be picking this up by the lid itself. So you can see that that's suctioned on there real well. Okay, this is on Black Friday special at $23.99. Definitely a good gift for either a gal or a guy. This next one is a 500-watt ceramic heater. It's a space heater, personal space heater. It heats up really warm. If you have anybody on your gift list that gets cold easily, they could put it at their desk. You could put it in your craft room. You could put it in your kitchen or next to your couch. It's just a personal space heater that has no settings except for on and off. So anybody that's not techno savvy and stuff like that, this is super easy to use, and it does put off a lot of heat. And it also has a tilt over protection, so it does turn itself off if it tips over. And for $14.17, I thought that was a good deal, and this is one of the Black Friday specials. This is definitely one of my top picks at $14.17 on Black Friday special. This would be a great gift for anybody that is cold-natured. This is a super good one too. It's a 50 by 60 micro fleece blanket. It's super soft. It's furry. It's a lightweight blanket. If you just want a lightweight blanket to throw on your sofa or have next to your bed just to kind of pull up over you. This one is a Black Friday special also, and it's only $10.19. If you package this in a gift basket with a pair of slippers, that would be a super nice gift for just about anybody. This little blanket, it comes in a variety of different colors, and it actually went down a little bit to $9.99 on Black Friday special. Okay, this is another great buy. This blanket is an Eddie Bauer, and it has the Eddie Bauer logo on it as well. It's got Sherpa on one side, and then it's got the plaid on the other side. It measures 50 by 60 as well. This one was $23.95. It comes in a variety of different colors. Some of them are a little bit less than this, but I thought for a 50 by 60 blanket, this is really warm. You could put this on your couch. You could put it on your bed for extra comfort, but it is super soft, and I thought it was a good deal. And if you want to give it as a gift, pair it with a pair of slippers, and you got a nice gift. Actually, you got a nice gift just by itself. It is a nice blanket. This is a beautiful blanket, and it comes in a bunch of different patterns. But for $23.99, I think this is really a good gift. Okay, this is a super fun gift for just about anybody. It's a nostalgia tabletop s'mores maker. Has 4 trays to put your marshmallows, your chocolate, your graham crackers in. Comes with 2 little forks to heat up your marshmallows over the top of it. This will be fun for anybody that does movie night or anybody that has kids. Kids would love to use this. If you're going to give it in a gift basket, go ahead and pair it up with some chocolate, some marshmallows, and some graham crackers. It'd make a super nice gift. This was definitely a fun gift for $24.99. I think anyone would love to get this as a gift. This next one is a screen magnifier for a smartphone. You just pull out the screen. It's a 12-inch screen. It magnifies your smartphone. And then the back part pulls up. That's where you put your smartphone. And then you go ahead and set your phone back there. And then go ahead and set up the little legs in the back so it tilts so that you have a good view. You have to use those legs to tilt it up. This will be a great gift for anybody that uses their smartphone for watching movies or watching the internet or surfing the web. I hope you can see how clear the screen is. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on here, but it really is a clear picture. So somebody that doesn't see real well, great gift for anyone that uses their phone to watch the internet or YouTube or anything. Definitely a great one for somebody who has a hard time seeing. This next one, if you have a guy on your list it's hard to buy for, this is a great little toolkit for him. It's a telescopic toolkit. It has a rectangular mirror. It has a round mirror. And then it also has a telescopic magnet. So if you're trying to find something, reach for it, you can't reach for it to get it, you can just use this. It just gives you the extra arm that you need when you're working. This would be great for any home improvement person or any automotive person. It's got a little bitty wand that has a magnet on it and a flashlight. Now there's no batteries in here. That's why it didn't turn on. But it pulls out and it flexes. Any guy would like to have this. Great tools for just about anyone. I actually have a set of these for myself. Definitely a great gift at $20. This little gadget is a great gadget. It has a little carabiner keychain with it. And what it is an alarm. It has a strobe light on the front. And when you pull the handle off the top and a piercing alarm goes off, I'm not going to do it because my family will kill me if I do it again, but it is very loud and that strobe light comes on. It's great for anybody to carry with them. If you ever feel threatened or you ever feel like somebody's, coming up on you, pull that handle out and that will bring attention to yourself and that will keep that person going the opposite way. This is a great gift for anybody. I'm giving this to my mom for Christmas this year. It's $29.95. It's a great gift. Great safety gift, and for $29.99, it comes in a variety of different colors as well. So you have something for just about anybody on your list. This is a great gift for a guy. It's a little beanie. It's a Bluetooth beanie. It has controls on the side to connect your smartphone to it so you can listen to your music while you're wearing it. And then it has a light on the front that turns on. This is washable and it comes with a USB charger to charge it up. It was definitely a unique gift, and for $22.39, you could just about give this to anyone. Hey, this one is a 6-pack of plants and they come in little plastic containers. The color on these are so pretty. They don't look like cheap artificial plants. They're very pretty. I bought myself a set of these last year. I bought my sister a set for her birthday this year and she loved them. You could actually use these in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your bedroom. They make great fillers for gift boxes. You could personalize them if you have a Cricut, but for $13.99, I thought this was a great buy. Plants are so pretty. You can put those just about anywhere, and for $12.59, they would be great for gift basket fillers as well. Okay, this next one is an AirTag by Apple. If you have an Apple iPhone or an Apple iPad, you can connect this with a simple one-tap setup that instantly connects it to your iPhone or your iPad. And what it does is you can put that inside of a purse or a bag or a wallet or on some keys. And if you were to lose it, you play a sound on the built-in speaker to help you find it, or you can just ask Siri on your phone and she can help you find it. This just helps you keep track of something that you've lost and you can instantly find it. This is a great gift for anyone that has an Apple iPhone or an Apple iPad. This is a great tracking device for anything. This next set is a great gift for a woman. They run $17.59 for these slippers. They are Sherpa on the outside, they are microfiber on the inside, and then they are memory foam on the bottom. These are super warm slippers. Now, if you wear a half size, go ahead and go up to the next size. But for the price point, I thought that this was a great gift idea. These little slippers actually went down in price. They got moved to the Black Friday special at $17.59. They're definitely a great gift. They are so comfortable. I actually have a pair. Okay, these are the guys' version of these. These are moccasin style slippers. They are furry lined inside. They are super warm and they have the memory foam on the bottom as well. These were $29.95 for this set, and I thought that was a really good buy. Okay, and these do run one size small, so if you order these, you want to go up one size. These would be a great gift for any guy on your list. They are super comfortable and they actually went down in price to $23.99 on the Black Friday special. Show you this on these pages. See where it says coupon? Be sure and click that button because you get a $2 off on this coupon as well. My mom didn't know about this. I wanted to be sure and show y'all this, but you definitely take advantage of those coupons. There are an extra savings for you. Those were under $30. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you like these kind of videos, be sure and give me a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. I have lots of gift ideas coming up, packaging ideas, food gifts. I hope you stick around. Thanks for watching.